In this video, I'm going to go over how you can leverage BuiltWith to get access to millions of companies using any specific softwares or technologies that you can use in your outreach efforts. So with that being said, let's just jump into it. So if you don't already know what BuiltWith is or kind of how their interface looks, this is kind of a quick look or overview over their dashboard. So what BuiltWith is, and the most easy way to explain it, it's basically a software that gives you access to lists of companies, millions of data points of a bunch of different companies, and it shows you which specific technologies they're using. So for example, right, these are a bunch of lists that my company has scraped internally. We're looking for companies specifically using WooCommerce in India, right? Here's another one, or Shopify company or companies using Shopify. So you can kind of, use from your kind of insights on your outreach efforts, whatever it is. If you want to target, companies or e-commerce brands, 99% of them are going to be on Shopify. So you could do that. Also, some other cool things, right? You can do specifically whatever their theme is because it's within their website, right? BuiltWith can see all the data within their website. You could see the ones using Magneto, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Klaviyo, and a bunch of things that you can get, access to. Obviously a big one too, if you have if you're targeting coaches, consultants, anyone that's kind of informed about marketing, definitely, right, you would want to scrape them companies using ClickFunnels, because obviously that's a big teller or big point that they understand marketing and you can sell them marketing services, yada yada. Hey guys, we'll get right back into the video, but if you're looking for a predictable and scalable cold email outbound solution that's going to book you tons of calls into your calendar, well, I have an offer for you. We just helped our client Morty from NBX Now close 30 deals in just 90 days for his event management agency. We also helped Jay book 43 calls in just 72 hours for his e-commerce marketing agency. And we have a lot more great case studies on our website as well if you want to check that out. Now, if you're looking to skip all these steps of worrying about deliverability, email scripts, lead list building, and all the things like that, and just want a done-for-you solution provided to you to incorporate into your company, book in a time down below with my team, and we'll see if we'd be a good fit. And with that being said, I'll see you there. So that's kind of how BuiltWith works and kind of their main use case in general, right? Now, I want to give you guys a quick example on when to use BuiltWith rather than other, data sources, right? Now, with BuiltWith, or rather, when you're doing this normally, typically you'll pull data from a couple different sources, right? You'll either pull data from a database like Apollo, or you'll pull data from Google Maps with scraping it manually, things like that, or you'll go through store leads or any other form of data source. And with this, right, and when you're scraping from that, you're going to get something along the lines of, the data is going to be like John Smith, the company he works with, maybe his phone number, and not very relevant data points that you can kind of mention in your emails or mention in your cold calls or whatever it is. And again, when you message them with any platform, your messaging is going to be something like this, right? It's going to be like, hey John, I was wondering if you'd be interested in 5 to 10 extra customers this month. If you are, let me know. And again, it's just you're pitching your offering, and then obviously you'd email them with this. But at the same time, right, when you're doing this, you're not pulling a lot of data points. It's not very relevant, and your response rates goes down, and it's going to be very hard to close deals doing this with a normal fashion. Now, here's where BuiltWith comes in. BuiltWith gives you access to, again, multiple millions of companies that are using specific data platforms or using whatever softwares they're leveraging. And in your outreach efforts, you can say something along the lines of, hey John, I noticed you're using Shopify and assume you'd like 5 to 10 new customers this month. If you are, let me know and let's have a chat. So again, you can kind of see how you can leverage this in an email or anything like that. By either, number one, understanding that they're using Shopify, so they're an e-commerce brand, and also understanding and mentioning that they're using Shopify within your email, so it seems very relevant. So that's kind of the easiest way to explain how BuiltWith is and how we use it internally, right? Now, I'm going to give you guys a really good example too of thing I would do, or some data I would scrape for some outreach efforts. So let's just say I have a client and they are a Intercom competitor, right? So if you guys don't already know what Intercom is essentially a software that you can put on your website, and it's basically like customer support, chat, live chat type of thing you can add on your website. Now with Intercom, right, and with my competitor or with my client that I'm going to be, reaching out to people to sell this product, I might want to reach out to people using Intercom, right? Because I could say, hey, I noticed you're using Intercom, which is number one relevant, and I could say I have a very cheap or I have a cheaper, faster, quicker solution, yada yada. I can kind of explain my offering there. Now, what I would do is I click on this right here, or you can kind of just search up Intercom here, whatever works for you, and make sure you always click on live websites, right? These are going to be the ones that are currently using it. And again, it also gives some other data points here as far as specifically in Canada, specifically in US, UK, stuff like that. It gives you, news sites, usage statistics, all this stuff. And again, right, with this, when you scrape all this data, they're gonna have other stuff like this, like insights. If you want to look at this, right? 31% of these people are using Hotjar, which is obviously a website tracking software, stuff like that. Now, if I want to scrape this list, I'm gonna go ahead and click on export, and you're gonna click on try creating a custom export. And from here, it's gonna show you pretty much everything you want in your CSV file. Now, for me, since I'm not really going to be, targeting anyone specifically, or I'm not going to need the data points of like SKUs, or I don't really want employees, social, sales, revenue. Actually, I'll keep sales revenue. I want to know how much you're spending on tech, location, on site. I don't really need that either. The company I'll keep vertical, page rank. I don't really need any of this stuff. Twitter, stuff like that. Instagram, I don't really need. City, state, I'll keep that. Zip, I don't really need. Country, I don't need. This, and I can kind of just keep going and explain what I actually want. Now, with that being said, this is pretty much all the stuff that I would want. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate report. So when I click on generate report, it's gonna actually be scraping all the data. Let me just quickly refresh this until this is done. So this is all of the finished data that I got. I believe there's, let's see, 130,000 companies here, specifically using Intercom, right? And again, I had a bunch of other data here, but I'm just gonna go with the ones that are very important, which is gonna be obviously just the domains. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to choose, the first 7,000, and I'm gonna press, Command C and just copy these. Now, what I'm gonna do, if I wanna reach out to these people and get access to their emails, I'm gonna head over to Apollo.io, which is essentially a database filled with 200 million plus, people at employees, people, CEOs, decision makers, general managers, stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the company tab, include this list. And out of these 7,000, we got about 3,000 companies here. Again, these are all companies using Intercom currently. Now, again, right from here, I can filter whatever I want. Let's say I want to do specifically, companies in United States between 1 and 50 headcount. Industries don't really matter for me specifically. And again, what I would do is I take this list, right? And again, including the people, which is about, 5,000 people I can get access to. I'm going to take this list. I'm going to message them with what I mentioned before, as far as, hey, I noticed you're using Intercom. I can, I have a cheaper, faster solution, and just pitch my services that way. There are other ways you could do this. As I mentioned before, you could go all the way here and you can scrape the companies using Shopify as well. And again, you can kind of understand that they're using, their e-commerce brand if they're using Shopify, and you can come back here, do the same thing, have a rinse and repeat process, and just keep reaching out to these people in a very relevant manner. So again, I hope that was really relevant. I hope that was really useful. Just because, again, right, we've noticed a very high increase in closed deals, response rates, positive replies when we are more relevant with the technology we're using. And that's pretty much it. So if you did like this video, please leave it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.